everybody. We're gonna do another keto friendly meal that's also really good for the family too. I'm gonna give you a little background. First, I looked online and I found this yummy taco pie, which I made, and my husband, he said, this kind of reminds me of that old Mexican lasagna you used to make. And so I kind of took that recipe and the new taco pie recipe and mashed them together. I took out the un-keto friendly stuff, and I'm making this as my very own recipe. So I've already had it a few times and everybody loves it. So what we're doing right now is just browning the meat. Once I brown the meat, I'm going to put some taco seasoning in and flavor it up, and then we'll get to the recipe. So I'll see you in a few minutes after the meat's browned, and we'll put it together. All right, making our sauce now. Got our taco flavored beef, and in my original recipe I used a can of cream of mushroom and a can of chicken and rice. I know it's weird, it tastes great, but we're not going to do that. And we also would use tomato sauce. We're using a jar of paste picante, and we're going to get a cup of heavy cream, 3 eggs, and sour cream. That is going to be our sauce, and we're going to let it simmer for a few minutes on the stove. And once everything is blended, then we're going to put it together like we would a lasagna in a casserole. So this is going to give this a little bit of stability where it wouldn't have. And now we're going to just stick it on the stove and let it cook for a little while. See you in a few. All right, it's almost ready to start putting together our taco Mexican lasagna pie. It's my combination. But I did put some sour cream in it, and I was reminded that I did not mention that. I'm gonna have the recipe printed at the end of this video, so if I forgot to add anything in my spiel, you will see it at the end. These are low carb tortillas. We're going to use those like we would lasagna noodles. So I'm going to, they only have like 4 grams net grams of carbs per piece. So we'll use, we've got 2 to start with, but I think we're going to probably need 4 of them, which will give us about 16 carbs, which isn't bad. Once you put those, you know, you serve a family, you're not going to have that many carbs. The sour cream has like 1 net carb, and we're going to layer it with the sauce and the cheddar cheese. Okay, here's our sauce. We're going to put it together just like you would a lasagna. Put the sauce on the bottom. And then I've got some cheddar cheese here. The recipe calls for 3 cups. I bet I'm going to use more just because it tastes better. Just going to spread it around like that. Then it's time to layer. So we're just going to use the low carb tortillas just like we would our noodles. Now we're going to put another layer on. Just enough to one more layer after this. And this is going to be the top. And we're just going to put some more cheese on top of it, and we're going to stick it in the oven for about 30 minutes on 350. Yeah. A little bit more cheddar on top. Well, actually, I'm going to put a lot of cheddar on top. Like I said, it's going to be gooey and yummy and delicious, and it's keto friendly, so it's like having your comfort food. And we're going to stick it in the oven now, and in about 30 minutes, we'll be ready for supper. See you then. All right, it's been 30 minutes. I'm going to grab it out. Oh yes, it's bubbling. It's yummy. Zoom in, Britt. And that is one delicious looking keto friendly casserole. We're going to serve ours with some salad tonight, and we're going to enjoy it. Hope you enjoyed my videos. I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.